So from today onwards, we'll be completing new task, which is FX testing. So here, the first task is to get started with FX unit test. So just click on it. After clicking, we'll be landing here. Come to challenges and copy the name. This we need in the future. So just do Control C and it will be copied. After selecting that and click on launch. After clicking launch, we'll be landing here. In the top right corner, there is a gear icon. Just click on it and after that, go to developer console. Here, go to files, come to new and FX class. Just click on it and paste what we have copied. Then click on OK. After that, come to that challenge page and copy what is written here. Inside get ready of the hands-on challenges, just copy it. After that, in developer console, delete what all are written here and paste what you have copied. After that, just save it. After clicking save, come to the challenge part and copy the second name, which is TestVerifyDate. Just copy it. After that, come to developer console, click on file, new and FX class. Just paste what we have copied, then click on OK. After that, I'll be giving the code in the description. Just paste it here. After removing what all are written here, just paste it and click on save. After clicking save, go to test. After that, just click on run all. After completing that, go to the challenge part and check challenge to earn points. Just click on. As you can see, we have completed the first task under FX testing. Thank you for watching.